What's up, everybody? Chris Gault, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on day 13 of this 5K program, so let's get to it. All right. I just want to say congratulations. Some people say, 13 is an unlucky number. I say it's a lucky number. Congratulations, everybody. You're doing fantastic. Just keep it going, keep pressing play. And we really would like to know how you're doing. So just leave some comments in there, how you're doing. You're doing great. Let us know. If you need some help, let us know if you have any questions, and we'll get right on it, and we'll answer you. So we all want you to be successful in getting through the 5K, so just let us know if there's anything we can do. All right, let's get to it. Coach Rob.
All righty, it is Saturday, and you know what Saturday is. Saturday is Bump Up Day. So we have 6 intervals where we are still doing our 3-minute walk and our 1-minute run, and we are going to do that 6 times. So 6 times 4 minutes, 24-minute workout. And I know that you guys can do it because we have been taking our time to get here. We've been doing all of our homework. We've been resting, and we are ready for this. So remember, take it slow, take it easy, do what you can. Don't forget your warm-up exercises. Don't forget your cool-down exercises, and just do the workout. Take your time, get it done. Just do one step in front of the other, and you guys are going to have a great workout. I'm going to get ready to go do my warm-up exercises and my run, and I'll see you after I cool down. All right, guys. Well, I got through mine. I'm sure you got through yours too. We took it easy. We didn't stress about it. We just took one interval at a time, and we got through them all 6 of them. Great job. I am really proud of you guys. So today is Saturday. Tomorrow is our rest day, Sunday. You really earned a rest day for tomorrow. So do what you want to do. Take a rest or do a little stretching. That's up to you. But you earned a rest day, so don't stress about it.
If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week.
The more running we're doing, the more we need to let our bodies recover. So make sure that you are fueling appropriately, and make sure that you are recovering appropriately. And I'll see you tomorrow. I'll just check in with you on your rest day and see what you guys are doing. And then Monday, we have a new schedule, and I will post that tomorrow, so you guys have a heads up. All right, guys. Well, great job once again. I'm really proud of you for sticking with it, and we are getting there. Have a great one.
All right. You did fantastic again. I'm very proud of everybody, really super proud. And I'm just stoked for day 14 to come tomorrow, and I know you're all doing a fantastic job, so keep up the good work, and I will see you tomorrow. See you, everybody.